The United States Embassy in Nigeria has reassured Nigerians that visa and passport services will continue uninterrupted despite the ongoing partial shutdown of the U.S. government. In a statement released Wednesday in its official X handle, the embassy clarified that while routine updates on the platform will be limited, urgent safety and security information will still be provided. It further noted that scheduled passport and visa services, both in the United States and at the U.S. embassies and consulate overseas, will proceed as planned. Subject to available resources, the announcement comes as a relief to many Nigerians, especially those with pending travel plans, amidst concern that the shutdown could stall consular operations. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has condemned President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's Independence Day speech, rejecting allegations linking to the group of terrorism. OK's person, Comrade Emma Powerful, IPOB reaffirmed that it is a movement devoted to peaceful advocacy and the right to self-determination. The group pointed to a March 2017 ruling of the Federal High Court in Abuja, which declared that IPOB is not a terrorist organization, stressing that it continues to operate within the confines of the law. IPOB urges the federal government to respect due process in the ongoing detention of its leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, while reiterating that it resolves to pursue its objective through non-violent and lawful means. The statement comes amid renewed calls for national unity following Nigeria's 65th independence anniversary celebration. Thanks for stopping by. As Nigeria celebrates 65th year of independence, the Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN) has raised a sobering reminder. Millions of citizens remain hungry, insecure, and jobless, despite government claims of economic reforms and statistical growth. In a statement signed by CAN President Archbishop Daniel Oko, the association congratulated Nigeria on the milestone, but urged leaders to use the occasion as a moment of deep reflection. Archbishop Oko stressed that true progress cannot be measured by charts and figures alone. Instead, he said it must be evident in the quality of life of ordinary Nigerians. The food available in every table, the safety of every community, the opportunities accessible to every child. He noted that while Nigeria has achieved significant gains in education, healthcare, agriculture, infrastructure, and telecommunications since independence, those advancements will remain incomplete as citizens will struggle with hunger, insecurity, and lack of jobs. CAN further called on policymakers to prioritize food security, strengthen security architecture, and create sustainable opportunities for young people who remain the backbone of the nation's future. The association concluded its message by expressing hope that the deliberate and people-centered policies Nigeria can move from being a nation of potential to one where every citizen enjoys the dividends of independence. Thanks for stopping by.